Hello my friends, welcome! I'm so glad you're here with me today. Ever notice how a single photo of a faraway place, a snapshot frozen in time, can spark a little voice inside you that whispers, "Let's go"? That tiny seed of wanderlust, planted by an image, a story, or even a scent, it's the call of the unknown, the yearning for something more. Suddenly, you're dreaming of cobblestone streets, imagining the feel of the ancient stones beneath your feet, the echoes of history all around you. Turquoise beaches, the warm sun kissing your skin, the gentle rhythm of the waves lulling you into a state of pure bliss. And new adventures. The thrill of the unknown, the challenge of navigating a new culture, the joy of discovering hidden gems. But then reality chimes in. How will you pay for that? The practicalities of life, the bills, the responsibilities, the ever-present budget, and the dream dims. The vibrant colors fade, the excitement wanes, and the voice of adventure is silenced by the weight of financial concerns. We all know that feeling, that pang of disappointment, that sense of being held back from experiencing the world. Like the world is a buffet, but we're stuck outside, just looking in, watching others live the life we dream of, feeling a sense of longing and frustration. Here's the truth. And it's a truth I want you to embrace with all your heart. Travel isn't just for the rich. It's not an exclusive privilege reserved for a select few. It's for anyone willing to get creative, to think outside the box, and to challenge the conventional notions of what travel should be. The real magic isn't in five-star hotels, with their opulent lobbies and extravagant amenities, or fancy restaurants, where the price of a single meal could fund a week's worth of adventures. It's in the experiences, the authentic, unfiltered moments that connect us to the world and to each other. A perfect street taco bursting with flavor and history, savored under the warm glow of a foreign sun. Music from an open window, a spontaneous serenade that fills the air with joy and connects you to the soul of a city. A laugh with a stranger, a shared moment of humanity that transcends language and culture, reminding us that we're all connected. Those moments don't have to cost a fortune. In fact, some of the most memorable experiences are completely free. Travel is a basic human joy, not an exclusive club. It's a right, not a privilege, and it's accessible to anyone who desires it. The key is learning how to unlock it, finding the hidden pathways, the secret strategies, and the mindset that makes it all possible. Getting smarter, more organized, and believing you can make it happen. Cultivating a sense of resourcefulness and a can-do attitude. It's about turning "I can't" into "how can I?" Shifting your perspective from limitations to possibilities. With the right tips and a little confidence, armed with knowledge and a positive outlook, you can explore the world without emptying your pockets. You can create unforgettable memories without breaking the bank. So let's talk about how to make that little voice of adventure, that whisper of wanderlust, the loudest one in the room. Let's amplify that voice, nurture it, and empower it to guide you on incredible journeys. Let's get you out there, exploring this beautiful world, experiencing its wonders, and connecting with its people. Ready to start? Ready to embark on this adventure together? Let's go. Let's make those travel dreams a reality. Let's be honest, planning a trip can feel like solving a puzzle with missing pieces. Flights, hotels, activities, packing, none of it seems to fit together, and prices only go up the more you search. You finally book, only to hear someone else got a better deal. Packing? Either you bring too much or forget the essentials. Then there's the money monster airport snacks, taxis, souvenirs. Suddenly your budget is out the window. Instead of relaxing, you're stressed about every expense. And if you don't plan, you waste time wandering, waiting in lines, or eating at tourist traps. We've all been there, but it doesn't have to be that way. With a few smart moves, you can dodge these common travel troubles. Let's fix them. So your next trip is all fun, no stress. Here's how. Ready for the secret sauce? The key to unlocking incredible travel experiences without breaking the bank? Flexibility is your best friend. Being able to adjust your plans, even slightly, can open up a world of savings. Think of it as your travel superpower. If you can shift your travel dates by even a day or two, explore options a few days before and after your ideal dates, you'll often save big, sometimes hundreds of dollars. Airlines and hotels often adjust prices based on demand, so being flexible allows you to take advantage of those dips. Tuesdays and Wednesdays are usually cheapest. These are typically off-peak travel days, resulting in lower fares and fewer crowds. Use tools like Google Flights. It's a fantastic resource for comparing prices across different airlines and dates. Skyscanner, another excellent platform for finding deals, especially if you're open to different destinations. and Momondo, which often finds the hidden deals that other search engines miss, and set up price alerts. This is crucial. They'll let you know when deals pop up. Be ready to pounce when you receive that notification. Search in incognito mode to avoid sneaky price hikes. Airlines sometimes track your searches and increase prices accordingly. For lodging, skip the pricey hotels. Unless you're specifically looking for that luxury experience, try apartments or hostels. They offer a more budget-friendly and often more authentic travel experience. And shop at local markets for breakfast. It's a great way to save money and immerse yourself in the local culture. Bundling flights and hotels can unlock hidden discounts. Travel providers often offer significant savings when you book multiple components of your trip together. Consider flying into smaller airports nearby. These airports often have lower fees and taxes. A short train ride can save you hundreds. Plus, train travel can be a scenic and relaxing way to see the countryside. The trick is to look at travel from a new angle, to challenge conventional wisdom, and explore alternative options. Be creative, and the deals will follow. The more open you are to different possibilities, the more likely you are to find amazing bargains. A little research and flexibility go a long way. Don't be afraid to spend some time exploring different options and comparing prices. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Consider alternative destinations, travel styles, and accommodation options. The world is full of options if you know where to look. There are countless hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Book smarter, not harder. It's about working with the system, not against it. Let's keep going. There's still so much more to explore and discover. You've booked your flights and accommodation, secured those early bird deals, but the savings don't stop once you've booked. In fact, that's where a whole new chapter of smart spending begins. Think of your trip as a financial adventure, where every penny pinched is a victory won. Now the real fun begins. The excitement is building, the itinerary is set, but let's make sure your wallet enjoys the journey just as much as you do. We're about to dive into some simple yet effective strategies to keep your expenses down while maximizing your travel experiences. Eating out every meal, especially at tourist traps, drains your wallet faster than you can say bon appetit. Those tempting restaurants with their prime locations often come with inflated prices. Instead, shop local markets. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere, discover unique ingredients, and support local vendors, all while saving a significant amount of money. Pack a picnic. It's not just about saving money, it's about creating a memorable experience. And enjoy meals with a view. Find a scenic spot, spread out your blanket, and savor delicious food while soaking in the beauty of your surroundings. It's a feast for the senses without breaking the bank. Always pack snacks. A handful of nuts, a piece of fruit, or a homemade energy bar can be a lifesaver when hunger strikes. Airport food is notoriously overpriced, and you'll avoid getting hangry, which can lead to impulsive and expensive decisions. Bring a reusable water bottle to save money and the planet. Staying hydrated is essential, and constantly buying bottled water adds up quickly. Skip taxis when you can. They're convenient but often the most expensive mode of transportation. Public transport is cheaper, efficient, and often a much faster way to navigate a new city, especially during peak hours, and gives you a local's view of the city. Observe the daily routines, listen to the local language, and feel the pulse of the community. Walking is free and leads to the best discoveries. You'll stumble upon hidden cafes, charming boutiques, and breathtaking views that you would have missed otherwise. When it comes to souvenirs, skip the trinkets. Those mass-produced items often end up collecting dust in a drawer. Bring home something meaningful, something that truly represents the place you visited and the experiences you had. A spice that captures the flavors of the local cuisine, a handmade bowl crafted by a local artisan, or just great photos. Capture the essence of your trip through your lens, creating lasting memories that you can cherish for years to come. Focus on experiences, not things. Invest in activities that will enrich your life and create lasting memories. These small choices add up to big savings and richer memories. You'll be surprised at how much you can save without sacrificing the quality of your trip. Travel smart, and you'll have more to spend on what really matters. Creating unforgettable moments and immersing yourself in new cultures. It's all about mindset. Approaching your trip with a conscious awareness of your spending habits can make a world of difference. Less buying, resist the urge to splurge on unnecessary items, more experiencing. Embrace the local culture, try new things, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Make every dollar count, plan your budget wisely, and track your expenses to stay on track. The best memories are often free. A breathtaking sunset, a leisurely stroll through a park, or a friendly conversation with a local can be just as rewarding as any paid activity. Ready for the next step? Let's move on to the nitty-gritty of planning your itinerary and finding even more ways to save money on your upcoming adventure. Let's plan, and let's make it unforgettable without emptying your bank account. All these tips are great, but putting them together can be overwhelming. That's why I created the Somebody Feed Phil Ultimate Travel Planner, a free printable guide to make your trip stress-free and fun. It's not a boring spreadsheet, it's your personal travel command center. With step-by-step checklists, budget trackers, and packing lists, you'll never forget the essentials or overspend. It guides you from the first spark of an idea to your return home, full of memories. The planner gives you confidence to book, explore, and enjoy, without the stress. And it's completely free because everyone deserves to travel. Download it, print it, and let it be your first step to adventure. Let's get you out there. The world is waiting. Ready to see what's inside? So what's inside this magical planner? First, the Dream and Plan section, brainstorm your dream destinations and experiences. Next, the Budget Boss pages break down costs for flights, lodging, food, and more so, you're always in control. The Pack Like a Pro checklist ensures you never overpack or forget the essentials. There's space for your own must-haves too. Finally, the Daily Adventure Itinerary, jot down your top sites, addresses, and recommendations for each day. It's flexible, not rigid, just enough structure to keep you organized, with plenty of room for spontaneous fun. This planner is your travel sidekick, keeping everything simple and stress-free. You'll leave home confident and ready for adventure. Planning has never been this easy or this fun. Let's see how it changes your trip. The real magic of planning isn't just saving money, it's freedom from stress. With a plan, you're not worried about expenses or logistics, you're free to enjoy every moment. You taste the food, see the sights, and soak up the culture, fully present, not distracted by worries. Planning gives you confidence to explore, ask questions, and connect with locals. It opens you up to spontaneous adventures because you're not lost or anxious. Each successful trip builds your confidence for the next one. Suddenly the world feels smaller and more accessible. You're not just looking in, you're part of the adventure. That's the true gift of smart travel. Less stress, more fun, and memories that last a lifetime. Ready to make it happen? Let's take that next step. Your adventure is waiting. Close your eyes and picture that place you've always wanted to visit. It's real, and it's waiting for you. Not just a fantasy, but a destination within reach. Travel breaks routine, fills your life with color, and is an investment in yourself. Meeting people from other cultures shows how much we all have in common. Every trip makes the world friendlier and more connected. You become an ambassador of kindness just by showing up. So take that first step. Download the planner, start dreaming, and let yourself feel that spark. Your adventure isn't far off. It can start right now. You have the tools and the desire. All you need is to decide you're worth it, because you are. The world is waiting for you. Let's go. We've covered the dreams, the worries, and the simple secrets to making travel possible. You have a roadmap, a planner, and a world full of experiences waiting. Don't let fear or stress hold you back from the stories you'll tell for a lifetime. Remember that little voice that whispers, "Let's go"? It's time to listen. Start small if you need to. A weekend trip can be just as exciting as a journey across the globe. The important thing is to go, to open yourself to new places and people. Your adventure is calling, your planner is ready, and your future memories are waiting. Let's fill our lives with more hellos, more laughter, and more joy. I'll be out there too, and I hope to see you along the way. To travel, to food, to new friends, and to you. Cheers, everybody. Now let's go eat. The world is hungry for you. So what are we waiting for?